case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1985, the Supreme Court of the United States heard the case of Landreth Timber Co. v. Landreth, which centered around the idea that if something is labeled as stock and has significant characteristics associated with stock, it falls under the definition of security under securities laws, and the transaction's economic realities should determine if federal securities laws apply. The case began when the Landreth family sold their stock in a lumber business they owned in Tonasket, Washington, to Samuel Dennis. Dennis assigned the stock to a corporation called B&D Company. The petitioner, Landreth Timber Company, claimed that the respondents had violated federal securities laws because they sold their stock without registration and misrepresented the worth of the company. Despite the sawmill suffering significant damage from a fire, brokers continued to offer the stock for sale to potential buyers. Dennis became interested in purchasing the stock based on representations that the mill would be rebuilt and modernized. After he purchased the stock and merged with the lumber company to form Landreth Timber Company, Dennis and other investors owned the majority of the equity. The court held that the sale of business doctrine should not apply to cases where less than 100% of a company's stock was sold, creating uncertainties regarding the act's applicability. The stock was deemed a security, making the rule inapplicable. The Ninth Circuit's decision was overturned.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.